Okay YouTube, so today we are going to go car shopping. So if you saw the last video, you'd have seen that I actually take the Durango to Oldcott Motors to be plugged into their computer to see what was wrong with it, why the engine management light was coming on. So as we were looking around, we saw some lovely cars and one of them caught my eye. Now I've been talking to Steve over the last couple of days and yeah, we've pulled the trigger on a new car. So we're picking up the new car. A lot of people have guessed, and you've all guessed wrong. It's not the Durango, it's not a GTR, it's not all these things you've guessed. It's actually so yeah, it's a Challenger Hellcat, absolutely stunning car. Yeah, there's going to be a lot more content with more muscle cars. Let's go. Well, that little blast then. And that wasn't even, well, you know how I drive, and that is literally a daily event. This is lethal. The ZL1 reminds you that you're actually going fast and the loudness of it. This doesn't. This is just not quiet, but it's not reminding you that you're going that quick. No, that was effortless, absolutely effortless. You have to be careful with this. So there she is, Dee, the Hellcat Challenger is now home. So yeah, there's going to be a lot more content from muscle cars, from Challengers, which is better, Challenger, Camaro, pros and cons of each. So a lot of head-to-head sort of stuff going on with Dee and Raven. So yeah, can't wait. So yeah, wait for the next video. Like, subscribe, comment below, and I'll see when we're going to start racing these two.